When you get here, the first thing you notice is that you're treated like family and that you're treated as an individual. You're not a number, and even though we're one of the larger HVAC companies in the state and the region and even in the country, we pride ourselves in not acting that way. And we think that some of the things that we do throughout the year really separate us and get that family atmosphere. And I think that's the big thing that we try to do here.
Although the company's really big, they have locations all over, they're still very family oriented. The bosses are very hands-on. I'm a family guy, I have children, and that's what we build around.
It's family oriented, it's team based. There's a few other veterans here in the company.
They actually care about your individual family as a whole. And your family is important just as if, it is affecting your work family. They're understanding if you have first day of school, if you have, sickness within your family. They're really understanding to any type of family needs.
It's more than just a job to me because these owners are the best I've ever worked for. He has awesome Christmas parties. The company has great benefits, that we have company outings and picnics sometimes. I'm not planning on going nowhere else to work.
I like working with all the different team members that we have, seeing them grow, and in my position, being able to make decisions that really influence the company, being part of that management group, really makes me feel useful.
It's not just where you start, it's where you stay. If you have the mindset and the motivation, you can push yourself wherever you want to go.
We really make a difference. We make a difference in our communities, not only with our work, but the way that we give back. And we actually sponsor a lot of ball teams and do Bob's Buddies. We've done that for years and years and years. And we do the canned food drives and Toys for Tots over the years. We do a lot of things, more things than I can even remember. But that's a really big reason that I like being here, is because we do give back to the community in such a way.